In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit money in Pocket Option with Bank Transfer. Beginner's Guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move funds into your account using a bank transfer in PHP, smoothly and securely. Before we start, make sure you're on a trusted internet connection and that your mobile banking app is ready with enough balance for the deposit. Begin by opening your web browser and searching for Pocket Option. Head to the official website and log into your account as you normally would. Once you're on the home page, look for the Finance section. Click Finance, then choose Deposit to open the funding methods. From the list, select Bank Transfer PHP. This option means you'll be depositing in Philippine pesos. You'll see the minimum deposit amount displayed on screen. At the time of recording, it shows 291. Always follow the current minimum shown to avoid errors. Next, enter the amount you want to deposit. If you have a promo code, click I have a promo code and type it in carefully. If you don't have one, you can skip this and continue. Click Continue and Pay to generate the payment instructions. You'll be taken to a page that shows a countdown timer. This timer is the remaining time you have to complete the transfer. Keep this page open and aim to finish the payment well before the timer runs out. If the time expires, you may need to restart the process. Choose Online Banking to proceed. Now open your banking app on your phone. In your app's transfer options, select Transfer to Other Banks, then choose NetBank as the destination bank. On the Pocket Option payment page, you'll see the recipient details, including the account number and the exact amount. Copy these details accurately. Enter your name if your bank requires it, paste or carefully type the given account number, and enter the same amount you set on Pocket Option. Before confirming, double-check the recipient bank, account number, and amount. Small typos can delay the deposit, so accuracy is key. When everything looks correct, confirm the transfer. Your bank may ask for an OTP or additional verification. Complete that promptly to avoid delays. After you've confirmed the payment, return to the Pocket Option page with the timer. The system typically detects your deposit automatically once the transfer posts. If it doesn't appear immediately, wait a few minutes and keep your transaction receipt handy. Avoid refreshing the page repeatedly during the countdown. That's it. You've successfully deposited money into Pocket Option using a bank transfer in PHP. Thanks for watching and happy trading.